Starting up a new day. I've extended the route with less highways and more inner roads. Really nice area. There's a very friendly lady at the reception. Very Norwegian. Very quiet. Beautiful. Still driving in the direction of Oslo now. Wow, wow, wow. What a picture. Beautiful. Around 11 o'clock. Very late breakfast or very early lunch, whatever you want. Beautiful here. And again, as normal in Norway, very quiet. Camping site in the surroundings of Oslo. Huge camping site, very large, with very modern buildings and very nice, beautiful showers and bathrooms and toilets and whatever. Kitchen over there. Tent is over there with the bike. Temperature is nice, around 20 degrees. Today I am leaving Norway and go to Sweden. And now to the left, probably. Yeah, apparently. And then to the right, I think. This looks a little bit less nice. But hey, it is what it is. Good morning, Thursday. I did last night this hotel over here because it was very rainy yesterday and I did not have any idea of pitching the tent on a rainy camping site, and the camping itself was not that very nice, also very large. So I'm doing now this hotel and leaving this morning. towards Malmö, where I want to do the famous bridge. One minor detail, the chain is brand new, but it needs to be tightened up a little bit stretched. Tried to do that with the board tools I had, but the bolt was a little bit too tight, so I could not loosen it. It's not a big deal, it's still within the limit, but it could be tightened a little bit. Okay. Detail. Probably this is not allowed, but it's easier, so I do it this way. Come on. And now check it. Oh, wrong way again, and the starting point is over there. Always the same thing. Always very difficult to find the exact starting location. Yeah, better. And now go to the right. I had to say honestly, I'm not a great hotel lover, but this was pretty nice. Chain is tightened up a little bit, just attaching the down marker, which is perfect with the tools. I borrowed from the Scania service workshop. I worked for Scania for 8 years. And it is really fun that in the south of Sweden I encountered a Scania workshop which provided me the tools which I don't have myself because the bolt was very tightened up. Provided me the tools to fix my chain. So. The bridge. I don't know if you followed the Netflix series about the bridge, but if you don't, well, it's about the bridge, and this is the bridge. I started this from the Swedish side, which is Malmö, so I'm crossing the border with Denmark. And then I want to look around in the country a little bit for a couple of days. And And this is the tunnel of the bridge. And that's what it is, a tunnel. And again on the ferry in Denmark. Crossing the water to the other side, and I met a Denmark motorbiker here, very nice guy. And he said to me there is a nice camping site at the other side, next to the beach. A beautiful beach over there. A lot of people is going there because of the nice beaches. There's a nice camping site. I love being on the ferry. It's a nice change of doing everything on a bike driving. Sometimes you have to sail too. And this is the camping where I am staying this evening, this night. Nobody here. Season has not started yet. The lady at the reception explained me that the season is starting in end of June, which is 2 weeks from now. And this is quite a nice area in the forest, where I have pitched my tent. Looks quite cozy, right? Beautiful place, absolutely. Yeah, Denmark at the beach. Looks like Scheveningen, Zandvoort of Rokanje, where I have lots of roots lying around. The camping where I'm staying right now is almost behind these dunes over here. Less than 5 minutes walk. And then I am at the beach. Beautiful. Denmark, somewhere at the coast. The beaches are at the left side, very close by, and this is a very nice, beautiful dune landscape. Looks very similar to what we have a couple of kilometers down below at Rotterdam, where it's called Rokanje and Oostvoorne, and this area looks very similar. Beautiful.